Hi guys!
My Mima.
This is Rella. Show your face. Show your face. She's hiding her face. Come on. Yeah, for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can see how smart she is. If you could paint your house, what color would you choose? Ayan, sa sarili mong house.
I will pick here, ha? Pretend I will pick here. Bigay mo sa akin.
Imagine muna how your house will be look like and what color you want.
I will pick. Hindi lang. How many colors?
Siyempre, yung pag-house naman, combination lang yan ng two
Pwede,
or three colors.
Bahala na sa akin. Really? Okay.
No, walang ganyan. It will come from your imagination.
I am thinking.
What's your color?
I got dark red and green and another red like lipstick color, white and orange.
Ang dami namang kulay ng bahay.
And yellow and nasira na yung cake.
Choose ano lang at least.
How many?
Two colors for your
Two
house.
colors? Paano naman sa bata? Kulang-kulang.
Basta isang, kunyari may malaki kang bahay. Tapos papipinturahan mo siya.
Okay.
In reality, what color do you want
I-shake
for your house?
Hindi ako malinito ako.
No, just guessing.
Are you not guessing?
It will come from your heart. In your mind, in your heart.
Comes from the heart.
What color do you want for your house? Ako meron eh. Kasi meron ako meron ako nadadaanan. Siguro mga 4 kilometers away from our house. Ang ganda ng kulay ng bahay niya. Parang siya, touch of brown. Pero yung color ng bahay niya parang mocha, parang ganon. Tapos makikita mo lang yung mga sidings. Basta parang may naka-highlight ng mga dark brown. Basta ang ganda ng combination. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, pag nagkaroon ako ng sariling bahay.
Open my eyes! Pretend you close my eyes. Close my eyes.
It's closed already eh.
No, close my eyes. 3, 2, 1, open. I got black, yellow, and brown, and gold.
Gold. So, what color? Ako nga, nasabi ko na ang dream color ko sa aking magiging dream house ay color mocha. Basta ang ganda, parang
okay, picture color.
Teka lang, wait lang. Ang aliwalas tignan, ang neat tignan. Ang ganda ng combination niya. Mocha and brown. So, yun ang magiging kulay ng bahay ko. Sa labas, ha? Yarela, you're not answering my question.
I like gold.
Gold? Para ka naman Chinese. Yung mga gold yung bahay. Truth ba?
Oo. Ikaw, close your eyes.
Oh, aside from gold, what else?
Brown.
Second choice.
Brown.
Brown. Okay, nice choice
And
naman.
the roof is black.
Gusto ko rin naman ng brown sa bahay.
Ikaw, close your eyes.
Why?
Pili ka nga. Close your eyes.
Ano po?
Close your eyes po.
Wag, madudumi yung salamin ko.
Close your eyes.
I already told you what color I want.
Yes. Only 2 colors.
Yellow and
Purple.
Russian blue.
Hindi,
Parang gusto ko rin yun. Nakakita na rin ako niyan, promise. Pero
wait lang.
basta ganun din yung kanya eh. Yung bahay niya may part na light blue, sky blue, tapos mayroong part na dark blue. Ang ganda rin ng combination. Pero first choice ko ang Mocha and brown.
Okay.
So, si Irela gold. Oh, what else? Gold talaga?
And blue-green.
And blue-green. Okay naman yan. Ayaw mo
And
ng...
para sa children.
Ayaw mo ng... Di ba sa labas ng bahay naman yung pinag-uusapan natin? Pink ba ayaw mo? Like
Gusto ka?
Barbie? Ha?
Kung lalaki or babae. Kung babae.
Hindi, your choice. Anong
Pink
babae? Anong
and
lalaki?
blue. Kaysa kung twins, wala silang room.
Hindi, basta yung color ng house outside.
Pink
Ay, kailangan kagaya nung
Barbie house.
Barbie house. Maganda naman talaga yung pink. Pero
Ay,
ayoko
gusto mo
naman.
Peppa Pig house.
Blue and pink, ano? Oh, yeah.
Peppa Pig house.
That's all for today's kwentuhan. Thank you for watching. Please support
see my-
us.
Please look at my house. My house will be like Peppa Pig size house, and the colors, even the room, even the living room and the bedroom. There's a bunk bed. The style inside and outside of Peppa Pig's house.
Favorite niya si Peppa Pig. Okay.
Alam mo, sabi ng lalaki, di ba? Peppa Pig dati, si Peppa Pig to. Sinat niya, si Peppa Pig steak.
Oh, hindi ko masyado relate dyan kay Peppa Pig. Okay, till our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!